Jealous and nasty people are gossiping about your success. Seriously, you know what? You guys are climbing the ladder of success. You are climbing that success which was totally unexpected of you. A lot of you are coming from a very humble beginnings, and from there, you guys are, you have literally reached a position where people are looking up to you, people are idolizing you. So naturally, with all this positive jazz, there are people who are being nasty, who are really jealous. They just can't digest the fact that this person, a lot of you are very simple people, simple, trusting kind of people who have really managed to create something awesome. Jinn. See, such a manipulative energy. Literally, they are boiling. They just can't take it. That this is a person whom they had, probably a lot of them used to make fun of you. A lot of you have had some recent glow up, which people like, they used to make fun of your style, body weight, or the way in which you cut your hair, and now they can no longer say like you are looking so much better. As magic unfolds, our risk as high will rise, wishes will be granted, but beware the design. Literally, your wishes, like people are gossiping that this person has manifested their deepest desire and wish. A lot of you have really, there is a complete, you have out leveled everyone else. You have reached a position where people no longer realize, they can no longer think of even competing with you. Those people who are gossiping about you, they are not even at your level. They know all they can do is to just say nasty things. That's what, like, this is a person, instead of deriving, a lot of people are actually deriving motivation, but this is a person, these people who are very jealous, they used to look down upon you, and now they are being nasty. Oh, a lot of character assassination I'm hearing, so be a little careful. Yeah, the evil queen, absolutely. Actually, they are probably calling you a evil queen, like they are calling you a manipulator, that this is a person who manipulated, who used other people to climb their way up. But actually, what they are not seeing is how hard you have worked to reach where you have. Where love eludes, fear becomes my throne. What would a rose be without without its thorns? Literally, these jealous people are making your life a little thorny, I'm hearing. But you know what? Enjoy it. People are gossiping because you are reaching like many folds of success. They have realized that they cannot pull you down no matter what they do. So all they can do is to just gossip and be nasty about you. That's all they are capable of doing, anyways. Eight of Pentacles, people are gossiping, this nasty people, like, oh my god, this person, you have worked very hard. So a lot of people talk about your work ethics. They say the nasty, jealous people, they can't even accept that you have worked so hard, that you still work so hard. The gossip that they spread is, they stayed in the office, they are such a show off, they are trying to sleep with the boss. I'm sorry, yada yada, a lot of nonsense. They are just a show off. They show to other people that they work a lot more. Actually, they are not. They are doing all this in order to create some good impression. That's what they're saying. I'm sorry, but you guys are really living your dream fulfillment with the gene and the gene, and this is Ginny's lamp. Literally, they are also gossiping. Oh my god, this person has gotten hold of that Aladdin's genie, somebody who can literally transform their life with their own manifestation capabilities. They are saying that they are literally flabbergasted by the amount of success. I'm seeing a lot of you guys, even if you did something on social media, things are blowing up and they are boiling because they know that they can no longer pull you down. They can no longer, like, literally, they're just talking dirty behind your back. Yeah, a lot of you guys are celebrating life, and that is attracting a lot of attention, both positive and negative. You are having a complete glow up metamorphosis moment, a lot of butterfly moments coming, like, transformation from caterpillar to the butterfly. That kind of transformation that has happened, and people are saying, like, you know what, their eyes are popping. They just can't accept the fact that you guys have worked for 10 hours and then worked out, probably worked on your own self for another 2 3 hours every day to reach where you have. They know that they don't really have this kind of work ethics in their life to even reach halfway through what you have reached, and that's why all they can do is to just gossip and mudsling, and that's what they are doing as well. So they are not doing any different. You guys, they are also realizing that nothing can stop this person. You guys are all set for success. You guys are literally outworking, outpacing everyone else in your success. You guys are moving very forward, and they are continuously saying that this is a person who is corrupt, who is really, they have forged their way towards their success. All right, time for the guided messages. I breathe in trust, I excel doubt. This is the reason why you have reached where you have. This is the basic belief system that people feel, that you have a lot of faith in your, oh god, this person is way more confident. That's what they're saying. When I focus on my reason for being, I am infinitely brave. They also feel that you are, like, extremely courageous. They have to accept it, like the kind of decisions that you have made, you are making with your life, they can't even imagine doing that. I do not rush through my life, I temper speed with stillness. Literally, you are someone who is literally, you genuinely live life in a very balanced manner, a very balanced, wise individual. I'm worthy of investing in my own self. Your sense of self love, self worthiness is shining through, and their insecurities are becoming glaring. Okay. Positivity is the key. Focus on the good. Stay positive. Stay calm. Do not forget to smile. Literally, you are a person who is extremely positive in nature, very positive, very determined. So, that is another reason that people are saying that this is a person who is very determined. All they wanted to do, oh, yeah, all they wanted to do was to succeed in life, and they are doing what they wanted to do. You followed your dreams, they know the way. You literally are one of those people who literally followed the rainbow to reach where they have reached, and people have to accept it whether they like it or not. It really doesn't matter. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. You're a very goal oriented person. That's the gossip, that this is a person who is very goal oriented, very focused, very determined. They know exactly what their priorities are. All right, I hope you've got some clarity what the jealous people are gossiping. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. That means the world to me. Thank you. Namaste.